Hey everyone, this is Katie. Happy Friday. Just jumping on here right before I head off to work. Just stopped at Dutch Brothers. I went to the gym. Very, very humid here in Arizona. Wherever you are, stay cool, stay hydrated. Anyways, for all of my live viewers, simply drop a smiley face, replay watchers, hashtag replay. Let's try and get 5 shares from this video. Anyways, I'm just going to tell you really quickly how to stay motivated. I know it's hard to stay motivated, but for me, what works is I put for something I really want, I will screenshot it and make it my screensaver on my phone, or I'll make a vision board on my phone with things that I really want. I'll also write down my goals in my planner and look at them every single day. That's a great way to stay motivated. I just wanted to share those few tips with you. You can also journal things to keep motivated. You can take notes on your phone. You can make videos about it. I said write it in your calendar on your phone, just things like that. Just wanted to share that with you. So everyone who likes my videos, I appreciate you tuning in, and hope everyone has a great Friday. Always thank you.